Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, if you're anything like me, the thoughts of tax sessions can send shivers down your spine. But fear not, because today we are diving into one of the most popular tax filing platform out there, TurboTax, specifically for the upcoming 2025 tax season. Is it still the go, or are there better options? Let's break down. So, what exactly is TurboTax, and why do so many people flock to it year after year? As its core, TurboTax is designed to simplify the open, complex process of filing your taxes. It walks you through everything step by step, making it accessible even if you're not a tax expert. And let's say with the pros, because there are definitely some strong points here. First off, ease of use. There is why TurboTax really shines. Their interface is really incredible, and with clear language and a guided questionnaire format, it feels less like doing taxes and more like answering a series of simple questions. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll find it straightforward to navigate. And secondly, accuracy guarantee. TurboTax stands by its calculations, offering an accuracy guarantee that gives you a peace of mind. They're confident that their software will get the maximum refund you're entitled to or owe the least amount of tax. This is a huge plus for everyone or anyone worried about making error. Third is excellent support option. While the software is designed to be self-explanatory, if you do get stuck, TurboTax offer various levels of support, from the extensive knowledge base and community forums to live chat, even on demand access to tax experts. And finally, integration with financial institution. TurboTax make it incredibly easy to import your W-2 and 1099s and other financial documents directly from your bank or employer. This saves a lot of time and reduces the chance of manual and field error. And now, as with any product, TurboTax isn't without its drawback. Let's talk about the cons. The biggest one for many people is the cost. While there are free versions for very simple returns, as soon as your tax situation becomes even slightly more complex, yes, you have investment or self-employment income, or need to itemize your deductions, you will quickly find yourself upgrading to paid version. And those costs can add up compared to some other tax software. TurboTax can be on the pricier side. Another point to consider is upscaling. So throughout the process, you will encounter a prompt to upgrade to higher tier version or add an extra service. While some of this might be genuinely useful, it can feel a bit aggressive at times, especially if you are trying to stick to a budget. And finally, when the guide approach is great for simplicity, it can sometimes feel overly simplistic for those with a very complex or unusual tax situation. If you have highly specific questions or need truly personalized advice, you will might still need to find yourself needing to consult with a human tax professional. So what's the predict for TurboTax in 2025? If you're relatively straightforward tax situation and value an easy to use guide experience with strong accuracy guarantee, TurboTax is still an excellent choice. It's truly simplifies the process and takes a lot of stress out of tax filing. However, if you're on a tight budget or have a very complex tax scenario where you might benefit from more hands-on, personalized advice without upsells, it might be worth exploring other options on market. Ultimately, the best tax software for you depends on your individual needs, financial situations. So do your research, compare the different versions and their cost, and choose what makes you feel the most confident and comfortable this tax season. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And see you in my next video.